Hey guys, the American Lemko here. Today we're in Hartsdale, New York at the Lemko Rusalya picnic. Let's check it out.
Scotty, it's my Lemko style.
So what I've been told was that originally the Lemko Rusalya picnic would take place at Lemko Park in Monroe, New York. Later, the event was moved to Lemko Hall in Yonkers, then to nearby Macy Park, and eventually here in Hartsdale.
Let's get some food, guys. Hey! Don't worry. Okay, we'll do that. Have you been?
Not bad, yourself?
Not too bad, not too bad. You had a good time on Zababa?
Oh, yes.
Super.
Yeah, and you had a good turnout for your first one. That's what matters.
Couldn't do without you guys. All right. All right. Let's get some pickles. All right, Ush, let's come over. Let's get some. Here, you can look at the food too. All right. Here. Pizzeria. That's the good stuff. You guys have any kibaskas ready?
You're not doing that to me, are you?
Just for you.
I owe you that. This is already, it's just that it's cut off.
Awesome, thank you.
That's the only one you want? How you doing? I'll take your hand later.
Well, yeah, we'll do this. You know what? Give me one more, if you can. All right, thanks. All right, let's go eat. Okay, so what we got here? We got grilled kielbasa, kapusta, mizeria, and we got ohirka. Also, sorry, I'm just really hungry. But shout out to Fajpa Svomum, Oksana and Bartek for this awesome shirt. Kropka, Pros Moloko, Lemkівський Malibu. If you know, you know.
Over. 9-2.
Dmitro, what's the score?
9-1.
9-1? Okay. I got the VAR ready.
Unfortunately, I can't play with my back.
That's okay. I can't play with my ankle.
That's much work too.
The plus side of playing volleyball in the park is that the trees provide some shade. The downside, however,
Oh my!
You suck!
No more for you.
Oh shit!
It's sandy.
Les, you suck!
All right, next. Where's the ball? Where's the other ball? Oh boy.
No, it's gonna get stuck. It's gonna get stuck. It's just never happening. That's a good one. Too heavy.
This is why we can't have nice things.
How many Lemko people does it take to get this ball out of the tree? Yep, no.
I gotta line it up.
It's done.
Hey!
It was the wind.
Was it?
Yeah, it was the wind.
Hey.
0-0. No, he's serving. Come on. Did that fall in down?
No, after 10 minutes.
Any comment, Dmitro?
None.
None? Speechless, right?
Very speechless. That the wind took all the ball.
What was that?
The wind took the ball down.
Win on a windless day.
Exactly. There you go. Must have been faith about to drop.
All right, you guys ready? Sure.
now we have a raffle going on, and let's see who's winning the prize baskets.
Next one. 4-4-3.
Now let's hear a few words from one of the organizers of this event, Andy Medved.
Moje imię jest Andrzej Medved. Gneska bardzo mi się serce raduje i wszystkim nam, że mogliśmy się spotkać tu w Hartsdale na naszym pikniku, co robimy już bez dłuższych roku, ale z przyczyny tej pandemii ostatnie 2 roki jsme nemali a dneska pogoda nam tu dopisała. Bardzo dużo ludzi przyszło, wszyscy się cieszą, besidują, spotkaliśmy się zas w naszej rodzinie. Jestem bardzo zadowolony, że tak dużo młodych przyszło i znaczy, że trzeba nam to robić, kontynuować to, co nasze dziadowie zaczęli. Dziękuję.
How was that?
No, they have to this way.
How much more?
Oh, they have to look this way a little bit.
On that note, see you guys next year.